Okay, students, so next question number 7. So here the function is, they have given y is equal to log 1 plus x equal 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x, and they have asked in the question to find out the interval where the, not find out, they have asked you to show that where the function, this one will be increasing only. They are asking, show that this x greater than minus 1, for this x greater than minus 1 is increasing function of x throughout its domain. Means for x greater than minus 1, you have to show that this function which is defined, it is increasing function. Okay, so basically what we have to do is we have to find out interval only, right? X greater than minus 1 means what? Minus 1 to infinity, right? So I have to show that this function is increasing for x greater than minus 1, right? So how we will show that? So with the help of derivative we can show where the graph will increasing, right? So this is the function y is equal to log 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x. So I want to know where this graph increasing, but I have to show, right? Not no, I have to show that at x greater than minus 1 I have to show that this function is increasing. Means what I will do, I will find out derivative and I will show that it is positive only for x greater than minus 1. Derivative, if it is greater than 0, that is positive, then we know that the graph is increasing. So I have to find out where this derivative will be greater than 0. So I have derived this one. You can see log of 1 plus x, it will be 1 by x form, right? And if you derive this one, you will get only 1 here, so no use of derivation, so 1 will be here. So 1 by 1 plus x minus this will be u by v form, so v square, v I have leave as it is, u I have derived, so it will be 2 minus u I have keep as it is, this I will derive. If I derive this one, what you will get? Constant will be 0, this will be 1, so you will get only 1 here, so 2x only will be left out, right? So if you solve this one, you will get 2 into 2 4 plus 2x minus 2x, so 2x will get cancelled, only 4 will be left out. So this is the expression, right? So here we have to take LCM. I have taken LCM, you can see. So 2 plus x whole square minus this we will get multiplied with this, right? 4 into 1 plus x. So if I break this one and break this one, what I get? A plus b whole square form, 4 plus 4x plus x square minus 4 minus plus again it will be minus 4x. Okay, so this 4x could cancel, 4 will get cancelled, only x square will be left out. Now here it is very important, see here carefully. In this question they didn't ask you to find out where the graph is strictly increasing or decreasing. They have simply asked you where the graph is increasing, you have to find out. So if the graph is something like this, where you have to find out increasing, so if it is neutral somewhere and then again increasing, so I don't have to find out this time neutral point, and I don't have to mention this one separately, this one separately. Simply I can say the graph is increasing. So from interval this to wherever it goes, I have to find out that one, right? So simply I have to find where the graph is increasing, means where it is greater than 0, I have to find out that. Now you can see where it will be greater than 0, how to check that. Now you see this expression carefully. This is what? X square. X, whatever you will take here, this term will be positive always because square is there, right? So even negative term, it will make it positive. Okay, so this also you can see it is a square, so this and this, whatever x you take here, it will be positive. So no need to check this one, right? I want to find out where this is greater than, when it will be greater than 0. Now see, this and this already positive, we know that it will be positive. Now this will be greater than 0 only and only if 1 plus x, it is greater than 0. If this is positive, we know that this is positive, this is positive, so this will be obviously positive. That means this will be obviously greater than 0. So your y dash, it's depend on only this expression. Now to be greater than 0, it only depends on this one. If 1 plus x is greater than 0, then your whole expression will be greater than 0. Okay, so y dash, now y dash greater than 0 if 1 plus x greater than 0. So your whole expression depends on this polynomial. Okay, 1 plus x only, this expression, this term it is depend on. So if this is positive, then we know that whole expression will be positive. So if this is greater than 0, we know that this will be greater than 0. This greater than 0 means the graph is increasing. Now I have to find out for x, 1 plus x greater than 0 means implies x greater than this 1, I will bring this side. So changing the side does not change inequality, right? So it will be minus 1. We have studied this rule in class 11. Okay, so you can see y dash, it is greater than 0 for x greater than minus 1. Means if your x is greater than minus 1, this will be always positive. Okay, so you can check that also. If you take minus 1 value greater than minus 1, that is 0, if you take, you can see it will be positive, this will be positive, this so obviously will be positive whatever value you take. So this will be positive means what? This whole thing will be positive, means this will be always greater than 0. So we have already proved, then therefore y is equal to log 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x is increasing. Okay, is increasing for x greater than minus 1. So you don't have to write in terms of interval this time. Why? Because they have given to show in this form only. Okay, so since they have asked you to show in this form, so we will leave the answer like this only. Okay, if they will ask you show it in terms of interval, then we will write down what? For all x belongs to minus 1 to infinity. Okay, so it will greater than minus 1 means what? Minus 1 to infinity it will go, right? Whatever x value you will take, it will be always positive. So if this is positive, we know that the graph will be increasing. Okay, so that's your answer. The next question is also similar. Find the value of x. So you have to find value of x. Which value? For which this one is an increasing function. So this will be increasing for what value of x you have to find out. Means you have to find out same the interval where this will be increasing. Okay, so I have to find out the value of x. So what I will do, again same, differentiate this one with respect to x. So I will differentiate this one and then we'll show you. Okay, so I have derived here. So in this question also they have asked you simply you have to find out the value of x where this function will be increasing. Okay, so you can see I have derived this one. This is of the form x square, right? So x square means 2x, then again in place of x you have something else, so I will derive this one again. Okay, so 2x this one, derivation of this one, so I have simply multiply x square minus 2x this one. So if you derive this one, you will get 2x minus 2, 2x minus 2. Okay, so and it will get multiply also with this. So 2 I can take common outside, right? So 2 when you take outside, it will get multiply with this 4x, x minus 2, x minus 1 you will get here, right? Now this is again important here. Now some of you might be thinking that since they have said increasing only, so we don't have to find critical point. I told you before also that always it will not happen. You need to judge yourself that one also. Yes, so in this case we have to find out critical point. The reason is, you can see here, some of you might be thinking this way, I have to find only increasing, right? I have to show that this is increasing under which interval or under which value of x. So I will just simply find out for what value of x this will be greater than 0. Now for that, some student might be thinking that this is already positive, right? If this is positive, this is positive, this is positive, then your whole expression will be positive. So you might be thinking like this when it will be positive, x greater than 0 directly, this when it will be positive, then x minus 2 greater than 0, which implies x greater than 2. This will be positive, x minus 1 if it is greater than 0, right? So x greater than 1. So you might be thinking that if x greater than 0, x greater than 2 and x greater than 1, if it happen like that, then it will be positive. Now see here carefully, if when I take x greater than 0, suppose I will take 1 greater than 0, right? 1 where you will take, you cannot take only here. X greater than 0 I am taking, that is 1 suppose I am taking. So 1 you cannot take only here. When you take 1, you have to take here also, and as a whole it must be positive, right? But see, if I take 1 here, then obviously you will not get positive value here, right? Because 1 minus 2, it will be minus 1. That's why this expression will be greater only if it is x greater than 2. So I cannot use this 0 to 1 at the same time here. Okay, what I mean to say is, this expression, whole expression will not be positive only if x greater than 0 you will take, whatever value. Okay, Only if you take x greater than 2, then only it won't be positive. Obviously it will be positive here. X, if you take greater than 1, then you cannot get positive, because see, if x greater than 1, when you take, what you will take 1.5, then it must be positive according to us, right? So 1.5 also if I take here, it will become negative. So as a whole, I have to find out what is that value of x for which this everything will be positive. So to know that one, here you have to find out critical point. Why? Because in some part it will be increasing, some part it will be decreasing. Okay, it's not that x greater than 0, whatever you take, it will be increasing. You have seen greater than 0, if I take 1 here, then you won't get as a whole, this expression will be positive. X greater than 0, if you take, only this will be positive. This whole thing will not be positive, this will be negative. Okay, so as a whole, I have to find out, right, what is the value of the x that I will take here, so that it will be positive. So here in this case, even though they have asked you what is the increasing function here, you have to find out first critical point here. Okay, so for critical point, y dash is equal to 0, right? This will be the derivative will be 0 at critical point, so this 0 I have taken. So from there I will solve this. 4 x minus 2 x minus 1 equal to 0. So this whole expression will be 0 if x equal to 0, this 0, x minus 2 equal to 0. Let me write down everything first. X minus 2 equal to x minus 1, sorry, equal to 0. So from this, what you will get? X equal to 0 you will get critical point, x equal to 2 you will get, x equal to 1 you will get. Okay, so this 3 critical point we got. Now we will draw a number line, right, to find out where the graph will be increasing. I have to find that interval only, right, means value of x only. I have to find out where it will be increasing. That's it. This will be 1. Okay, so here less than 0, if I take anything, what it will be, whether it will be positive or negative. Less than 0, that is minus 1, suppose I will take. So obviously minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, if I take here, what it will be? Minus 1, this is negative. Minus 1 if I take, this will be negative. Minus 1 if I take, this will be, so this negative, this negative, this negative. So as a whole, this will be negative, negative, positive, positive, negative, negative. So this whole thing will be negative. So whatever value you take less than 0, it will be negative. At 0 it will be neutral, remember. Okay, 0 to 1, 0 to 1 you take any value, say 0.5 if I take. So 0.5 if I take, this will be positive. 0.5 if I take, this will be negative. Minus 2 is bigger, so negative will come out here. 0.5 if I take, this will be negative. So negative, negative, it will be positive, and this is already positive, right? So whole thing will be positive. Okay, next, if I take greater than 1 and less than 2, between this, if you take any value here, what it will be? So let's take 1.5. So 1.5, it will be positive here. 1.5 negative, because this is bigger, right? 1.5 if I take here, it will be positive, right? So this will be negative only, so whole thing will be negative. I just have to find intervals. Okay, so you can see your f dash x will be positive here, means increasing here. 0 to 1 it will be increasing. Then let's find out 2 to infinity. Let's take 3. So this will be positive. 3 if I take here, positive. 3 if I take here, positive. Positive, positive, positive. So this will be positive. Okay, so I have to find out for what value of x it will be increasing, right? So y dash a will be 0, that is positive where 0 to 1. For x belongs to 0 to 1 and x belongs to 2 to infinity, right? Therefore, can I write y is increasing on 0, 1. I can write union, right? This also, this also. So union 2, infinity. Whatever element you have here, for those value, this will be greater than 0. Whatever element you have here, 2 to infinity, whatever value you have here, for that also it will be increasing, that is positive. Here also positive, here also positive. And I have to find out those value of x only for which this function is increasing. Decreasing I don't have to find. Okay, so this you don't have to write in your answer. Okay, y is increasing on this. That's it.